Greetings, my fine, fair, friendly fellow Fiat destroyers. Welcome back for another video with Fiat Destroyer today. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful spread of silver that you see before you here. If you're thinking that this looks a little familiar, well, you're right. If you've been watching my videos, you've actually seen this exact silver before. But I wanted to talk about this a little bit more. Now, what we have before you today, over here on my left, we've got 51 silver war nickels. These are 35% silver. The way you can tell a nickel if it's silver is if it has a mint mark right here up above the Monticello. And there you can see a P above the Monticello there. That monument, that P stands for Philadelphia, which is where this coin was minted. And this coin has over $1 worth of silver in it. In fact, it's probably about $1.25 worth of silver, and it was more than that at the time that I purchased this. But that aside, we've got 51 of those, and down here on the bottom we have 90% 1964 Kennedy half dollars, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, which makes $4 face, as we say. And then we've got $6 face of 90% silver dimes over here, and these are a mixture of Roosevelt dimes and Mercury dimes. Let me get a couple of them. There we go. Very nice. Got a nice Mercury dime there. What is that? That's a 1934 and a 1950. As long as it's... Oops, that one dropped to the floor. I'll have to find that one later. As long as it's before 1965, so 1964 and before, then they are 90% silver. When it comes to dimes, quarters, and half dollars. For nickels, it's a little different. Alright, so, and what else we got? We got this very nice 1923 peace dollar. Look at her cheek. Look how smooth that is. Now, I might be mistaken, but I don't think this is cleaned. I don't see any buff marks, scratch marks, or anything like that. I could be wrong. I'd be curious to know what you guys think. Any of you numismatists out there. But that's great detail. Some pretty nice toning. So, I could be wrong, but I think this one's going to upgrade my peace dollar album. So I got that, and then over here is a Silver Britannia, a wonderful coin design. I think this is a great one. 2018, this one is. And of course, it's got the Queen of England on the obverse. Very nice design in the field of the coin there. Difficult for the camera to see that. But that's a great ounce of silver there. And then we've got 3 Australian kangaroos. And they are all in very nice condition. 2016. These are actually 4 nines fine. You see there at the bottom, 9999. So 99.99% pure silver. That's a great design too. A lot of security features there. And there's the obverse. This coin, I believe, has the exact same diameter as the Silver Eagle. And last but not least, we've got this beautiful silver koala right here. 2016 again. Very nice design. They actually come in these capsules from the mint, so that's pretty cool. Your silver is very well protected. All in all, guys, here we've got almost 16 ounces of silver. Alright, so I did the math, dividing the melt price by the spot price. The spot price of silver at the time I made this acquisition was $23.40 per troy ounce. And we've got $10 face. So in my mind, I think of that as a little over 7 ounces. You go 0.715 times the face value, so 10 times 0.715 would be a little over 7 ounces of silver. And if we combine that with this coin right here, which is another dollar face, then we'd be at almost 8 ounces. or around 8 ounces. And then we can go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And with the amount of silver we have in the war nickels here, it gets us almost to 16 ounces of silver. So just under 16. It's like 15.87 something. Alright. Now, how I got this, in case you didn't know, was I actually traded. I did not buy this silver outright. I traded one of these proof silver eagles. Now this is just a regular proof, but I'm going to show it to you because it looks very similar to the one I used for the trade. And there we go. Very gorgeous. 2018 this one is. The one I traded was 2020 and it had a V75 privy mark. So, as most of you watching know, that is a rare coin that was just recently released from the US Mint. And I took it to my coin shop. Of course, I texted him beforehand and we agreed on, roughly agreed on the deal. And I showed up and I was originally going to do the deal for 90% only, but he didn't have enough in the shop. So he did have some of these other things, and we ended up just finding enough that I was able to make the trade. I did think I was going to leave the eagle there and come back and get my part of the trade later, but we ended up finding some things, and I'm very happy. He is happy, of course, and the person who's going to get the V75 Silver Eagle will also be very happy. So guys, now I wanted to make this video again. I made that trade. Oh, and in addition I got $5.25 back, so you can take that into consideration. So in order to figure out what I actually paid for this silver here, and it's how I got the clickbaity title of the video. If I title this video how I think I'm going to, how about I just set this over here? We'll cover up some of those war nickels because I know not everybody likes the war nickels. So again, buying the V75 Silver Eagle proof coin from the US Mint was $87.95, shipping included, if I remember correctly. I mean, they charge for shipping, so I'm saying that price included the shipping. Now, if I subtract $5.25 back, and I take that price divided by the amount of silver that we have right here, guys, I actually paid for nearly 16 ounces of silver less than $5.25. So between $5.20 and $5.25, right in that range per troy ounce is what I paid for the silver we have here. How awesome is that? How cool is that, guys? All in all, I got all of this silver here for less than 90 bucks. That's pretty cool. That's what you call a successful flip, in my opinion. So the question in my mind is not, could I have eked out another $5, $10, $20 if I would have done this flip some other way? But rather, I'm not really having any questions at all. I'm just thankful because I was able to flip the coin, and now look where I am. I've got more silver for the goals I have. And look at this stuff. We got some great stuff for a really awesome price. So I just wanted to put out this video as an encouragement for those of you who are looking to flip coins and just wondering more about how it works. I'm definitely not a pro flipper. That's not really my thing, but here's a case where I was successful. And I also wanted to just show the math a little bit. I didn't go into extreme detail, but I did tell you how much I paid for the proof coin outright and how many ounces I got here in silver. So I divided that price by the ounces of silver, and that got me just over $5 an ounce for almost 16 ounces of silver. So anyway, guys, hey, well, remember to keep on stacking the silver. Just like that. Got all stacked up. And remember to keep on destroying that Fiat.